Hey guys, what's up? It's your girl Nelia. Welcome back to my channel and back for another video. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I got these Marley Twists with the curly ends. Curly ends just adds a whole nother dimension to them and I love them. I've had this style in for about 2 weeks now, so it is coming. It's kind of, growing out and all that. And if I've had it in for 2 weeks, you guys already know that I love it. My first time trying to add curly ends to anything, so I think it came out really good. It's been super easy to style. I wear it to the gym. I can wear it all dressed up. I can wear it, just lay in the house because quarantine. But anyways, so I really hope you guys like this style. I think it's super easy and super beginner friendly. So let's just get right into this. Okay, so I only use 2 products for these Marley Twists curly ends. And that will be my Cream of Nature Snot Gel and my Shine and Jam Conditioning Gel. Them by themselves wasn't holding my hair together in the twist well enough for me, so combining them really did some good. I don't want to use too much of the snot gel because there will be buildup of this. You only need a smidge of this. I do love this stuff. So these 2 together is all I use. I did actually moisturize the actual Marley hair. Let me show you what I used. So for the actual Marley hair, and I did put some on my natural hair, I used the Outta Hair product Sheebie Butter, which is just Sheebie mango butter, just straight butter, and that did loosen up the hair because it is really kinky, the Marley Twist hair, so it did soften it up a little bit and soften, of course, my real hair up, so that did overall make them feel really good and not too dry. Okay, now for the hair that I used. I'm not even going to recommend this exact hair to you, but I am going to insert some pictures of 2 types of hairs that I did like. I like my OG Jamaican twist braid, and I also have a few pieces of the Cuban twist braid hair in here as well. I like the Cuban twist braid because it comes in bigger, thicker pieces, so you don't need as many packs. But I also like the Jamaican twist braid because it is a softer hair, and the curl in it is really nice too. This hair was very thin and see-through, as you can see here, and it just didn't camouflage my hair the way I would have liked, so I'm not even gonna waste your time until you guys to get it. Also, what you need is some kind of curly hair. I highly recommend the Fruitress Bohemian Water Braid, I think it is, something like that. I'll insert another picture of that as well. That is what I have in the majority of my hair, and it has not tangled. It has not lost its curl pattern. It looks really good, you guys. There are some pieces that are a little different that I do not recommend, so I'm not going to tell you what that brand is either. I think that's whatever pieces look like a little knotted and matty. Yeah, we don't want to do that. When you get your hair, you want to moisturize it. Just spray some kind of water on it. And then I'm taking that Sheebie butter and just running it through the hair. That's because this hair is it's dry, y'all. It's just Marley hair. It's just dry. I mean, that's why I like the Jamaican twist braid, because it is a little dry, but it's not as dry as this is. This is rough. So I really wanted to moisturize it so it doesn't dry out my actual natural hair. And of course, you want to do the same to your natural hair. So now you want to line the base up with your Shine and Jam. Just line the 4 corners of your boxed out section and run it through the rest of your hair, especially the ends, because we want our ends to be tucked away into the braid. Now this is where the snot gel comes in because it is amazing at laying down edges. But you don't need a lot, you guys. When I tell you a smidge is all you need, you don't want to use too much of this stuff. But it does a really good job at smoothing down your edges, and you want to run that to the ends as well. So I'm going to add a little bit more snot gel just to the ends. It's really good at tucking away flyaways. Okay, so here we are. We have our 4 corners 4 pieces prepped. So the way I decided to do it this round is the invisible root method. You can also just braid this hair in and start that way, which next time I'm probably going to do that for like the back and maybe towards the front. I'll do the invisible root method. I play around with this all the time. It comes out the same regardless. So for the invisible root method though, you want to split your hair in 2, like so, and then place this hair right in the middle. So now there's the fake hair in your hair, fake hair in your hair. What you want to do is start twisting it within each other. See how they're twisted together now? And you want to do the same for the other side. So see how this side twisted down? This side you want to actually twist up. Now, this is probably the only tricky part of this hairstyle. And it takes time. It takes practice. I ain't gonna lie to you. But once you get to the front, you'll get the hang of it. I promise you. So here it is. And then you want to merge them together and just start twisting. And it's a tight hold, y'all. Like, I used to think this method was faulty because it wasn't that tight of a hold. But it's tight, y'all. It's tight enough. So there you go. Smooth out that snot gel and everything so it doesn't cake up on you. Now I could have done that way nicer if I wasn't doing it for a video, but it's okay because I'm gonna take these out eventually. You guys know me. So on the way down, if you want to add some more Shine and Jam to your natural hair just to, like, you know, blend that in better, go for it. We're gonna have a good deep cleanse after we take this hair out, so don't even worry about it. Lay down, and I'm gonna bring you guys down here because this is where the magic begins to happen. Here we are at the very end, right? You guys see that? Now you want to do the same invisible root method with your little bit of crochet hair, whatever hair you decide to use. You're gonna bring these together. So you want to bring them together and do the same thing. Twist within each other. And then just start twisting again. It works. Take your time or you're gonna get tangles like I just did. Once you get a pretty much simple little curl going, and that's also the key to this, you don't want to put too much hair in a strand. It will, I feel like that's also what helped my hair not tangle within each other and for them to still look decent. There's not too much hair per braid. So like this might look like nothing to you, but it adds up, I promise. You want to take a piece of the hair once you get low enough and kind of make a knot and just tie that off. Pieces of hair here. And we're just going to make a knot with it, like a loop, pull it through, and we make a knot. Boom. And that's how we do it, guys. Here you guys go. So this is the end. We brought the Marley hair down and then tied it off with a piece of the wavy hair. And here we go. Let me tuck this back in my ponytail. Done! And I love it. Instead of like the boring Marley hair look, we get some pizzazz with the curly ends. Like I said, I've had it in for 2 weeks now and it's holding up pretty well. The older it looks, the more kind of natural it looks. So I love it. Alright you guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope this tutorial helped you. I hope I explained it well enough. If not, leave any questions you have down below in the comment section. I'll definitely get to you and answer them. All the products you'll find in the description box. I have a few videos where I style these braids, but if you want to see a specific style, like how I got this high ponytail, let me know down below in the comments as well, and I'll easily do that for you guys. Give me a like if you guys liked this and found it helpful, and subscribe. Join the family. My name is Nelia. I make new natural hair content every week, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye.